full sun. Hello, lovelies! Ayan, nandito naman si Mrs. G sa kabugangan. Malapit pa din to sa garden. Ang dami-daming wildflowers. Ayan, meron na namang bubuyog. Tingnan niyo. Mamaya i-check ko pa muna kung anong pangalan ito. Ayan sila, oh. Ayan. Tingnan niyo. Ayan. Ang ganda. Ooh, very windy pa. Kaya sayaw-sayaw lang sila dyan. Yan, maganda ang kanyang bulaklak. Ay, ganyan pala, oh. Meron siyang parang bula-bula. Yan ang baby blooms. Tapos ganyan ang kanyang mukha. Pag fall. Ang mga wildflower kasi guys, mabilis tumami. Kasi ano sila eh, madami silang pollens. Ang dami-daming bees dito. Maganda din to para sa aming garden. Kasi sila napopollinate ng aming mga tanim. Ayan. Favorite color ko pa naman to. This is my birthstone color. Amethyst. Masipag kang lumabas guys, pag masipag kang tumitingin sa kapaligiran, madami ka talagang makikita. Kung mahilig ako maglibot-libot ako, yun, madami pa akong nakita.
The creeping thistle, CIRSIUM arvense, is a perennial species of flowering plant in the family Asteraceae, native throughout Europe and Western Asia, Northern Africa, and widely introduced elsewhere. The standard English name in its native area is creeping thistle. It is also commonly known as Canada thistle and field thistle. The plant is beneficial for pollinators that rely on nectar. It also has a top producer of nectar sugar in 2016 study in Britain, with a second place ranking due to production per floral unit. The number of other names are used in other areas or have been used in the past, including Canadian thistle, lettuce from hell thistle, California thistle, corn thistle, cursed thistle, field thistle, green thistle, hard thistle, perennial thistle, prickly thistle, Cetusia thistle, small flowered thistle, wave thistle, and stinger needles. Canada and Canadian thistles are in wide use in the United States. Despite being a misleading designation, it is not of Canadian origin. CIRSIUM advens is a C3 carbon fixation plant. The C3 plants originated during Mesozoic and Paleozoic eras and tend to thrive in areas where sunlight intensity is moderate. Temperatures are moderate and groundwater is plentiful. C3 plants lose 97% of the water taken up through the roots to transpiration. Creeping thistle is a herbaceous perennial plant growing up to 150 centimeters, forming extensive clonal colonies from thickened roots that send up numerous erect shoots during the growing season. It is a ruderal species. Given its adaptive nature, CIRSIUM arvense is one of the worst invasive weeds worldwide. Through comparison of its genetic expressions, the plant evolves differently with respect to where it was established itself. Differences can be seen in R protein-mediated defenses, sensitivities to abiotic stresses, and developmental timing. Taxonomy. CIRSIUM arvense is placed in the substrate Cardoneae tribe Cardoneae of the family Asteraceae. Unlike other species in the same genus, It is dioecious. Although male plants sometimes produce bisexual flowers, it also differs from other native North American species in having large roots and multiple small flower heads on a branch stem. Its underground structure consists of 4 types: long, thick horizontal roots, long, thick vertical roots, short, fine shoots, and vertical underground stems. Though asserted in some literature, creeping thistle does not form rhizomes. Root buds from adventitiously on the thickened roots of creeping thistle and give rise to new shoots. Shoots can also arise from the lateral buds on the underground portions of regular shoots, particularly if the roots are cut off through mowing or stem segments are buried. Stems are 30 to 150 centimeters, slender, green, and freely branched, smooth and glabrous, having no trichomes or glaucones, mostly without spiny wings. Leaves are alternate on the stem with their base sessile and clasping or shortly decurrent. The leaves are very spiny, lobed, and up to 15 to 20 centimeters long and 2 to centimeters broad, smaller on the upper part of the flower stem. Every plant species has a unique floral fragrance. The fragrance that our C. adverse emits attracts both pollinators and flowivores, containing compounds that attracts each respectively. Non-native honeybees are shown to have the highest visitation rate, following other bee species in the genera Halictus and Lasioglossum. Hoverflies are also commonly seen pollinating the flower heads on its plant. Flowivores such as beetles and grasshoppers are commonly seen as well. The compounds found in the fragrance may not be the highest abundance, but they are highly attractive. P-anisaldehyde is found in less than 1%, yet it attracts pollinators such as honeybees. This is not thought to be the result of addictive and synergistic effects from the blend, increasing the attraction of the plant. After pollination, it can be seen that fragrance emission decreases in C. adverse. It is regulated throughout the regulatory feedback mechanism dependent on the pollination status of the plant. This mechanism has only been observed in pistillate plants for deciduous C. adverse. Fragrance emission increases with age. The fragrance contains several compounds that attracts diverse insects. That's all for today, lovelies. I hope you like this video. Don't forget to give it a like. And don't forget to subscribe. Thank you all and see you next time. Bye-bye and be safe.